Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your financial data with Mint easy tutorial step by step clearly. To secure your financial data with Mint, start by downloading the Mint app from your device's app store. Open the app and begin the sign up process. Enter your email address and create a strong password. Ensure your password includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols for enhanced security. After signing up, verify your email address through the link sent to your inbox. Log into your new Mint account. Navigate to the Settings section of the app. Enable two-factor authentication for an added layer of security. This requires a second verification step, typically a code sent to your phone. Next, link your bank accounts and financial institutions carefully. Mint uses bank-level encryption to protect your data during this process. After linking, review the permissions you have granted to Mint. Make sure you are comfortable with the access levels you've allowed. Regularly monitor your accounts within the app for any suspicious activity. Set up alerts for transactions or budget overspending to stay informed. Update your password periodically to maintain account security. Consider using a password manager to help generate and store complex passwords. Be cautious of phishing emails claiming to be from Mint. Always log in directly through the app or official website, not through links in emails. Finally, keep your app updated to ensure you have the latest security features. Following these steps will help secure your financial data while using Mint. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.